Welcome back kapatid to Kalooban, The Voice Within, Episode 1. Today, we will take a quiet moment together. A space just for you. Sometimes, life moves so fast. Thoughts rush, schedule demand, people expect. And in the middle of it all, we often ignore ourselves. Notice your body, your breath, the presence you carry right now. Stillness is not stopping. It's not running away. It's simply noticing. Can you feel your chest rise and fall? Your shoulders? Your hands? Notice where tension lives in your body. Where is your mind wandering? Notice it without judgment. Then gently return to your breath. Think of one small moment today where you ignored yourself. Maybe it was work, a conversation, or even just skipping a pause for yourself. Bring it into your awareness and breathe with it. Let it settle. Let it go. Imagine yourself in a quiet space, a forest, a room with soft candlelight, a place where nothing demands your attentions. Notice the sounds around you, the gentle hum, the faint rustle. Let the world outside dissolve, just for a moment. Now ask yourself, what am I ignoring in myself right now? Notice without trying to fix it. Notice without judging. Notice and breathe. Observe the tension, the emotion, the thought, and let it be. Let's try a very simple exercise together. Inhale slowly, counting to 4. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly, counting to 6. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Inhale slowly. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly. Feel your shoulders relax. Your chest softens. Your mind slows, even if just a little. Remember, stillness doesn't demand perfection. It simply asks for your attention, your awareness, your presence. Now think about the rest of your day. What would it feel like to carry just a little of stillness? Notice how your body responds. Notice your thoughts. Notice what you usually ignore. And acknowledge it gently. Ask yourself, when did I last truly pause? What part of me am I avoiding? What does it feel like to give myself permission to just be? Thank you, kapatid, for taking this time. Thank you for listening and for noticing yourself. Remember, stillness is always here, waiting. Doesn't require permission. It doesn't require effort. It only asks for your awareness. Carry this feeling with you as you move through your day. Return to it whenever you need. Episode 1 ends here. but the voice within continues.